Hello students, today I will discuss the science of 8th class. So in 8th class, next topic is irrigation. Irrigation. It means that सिंचाई. सिंचाई. अब irrigation क्या होता है? सिंपल वर्ड में गिविंग वाटर इनटू द क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप में पानी देना, फसल में पानी देना. अब इसको कैसे बताएंगे? देखिए, irrigation, it means that water is very necessary. Water is necessary for the growth and development of the plants. And if plant doesn't get sufficient water, it shrivel up. अगर प्लांट को जो है ना पर्याप्त मात्रा में पानी नहीं मिलता है तो ये shrivel up होने लगते हैं, मीन्स दैट सिकुड़ने लगते हैं. ओके. Watering of crop plants at regular intervals is called irrigation. Watering of crop plants at regular interval is called irrigation. तो कैसे बताएंगे इसमें? Water is necessary. Water is necessary for the development of the plant. If plants do not get sufficient water, they shrivel up. Watering of crop plants at interval time. This is the definition of the irrigation. Okay. Watering of crop plants at interval time is called irrigation. So now we will discuss about the major sources of water. Major sources of water. We will discuss major sources of water. Means that sources of water. So major sources of water is rainfall. Major sources of water, rainfall. However, amount of rainfall varies and does not always at the right amount of at the right time, at the right amount of water at the right times. Okay, so that times farmers have to face many problems. They use canal water, river water, and lake water, pond water. So sources of water, major sources of water, we can say rainfall. Major sources of water is rainfall. Rainfall. However, amount of rain varies. Amount of rain varies and does not always amount of water at the right time. Then farmers use following water. Lake water, pond water, and canal water. Okay, so major sources of water is rainfall. However, amount of rain varies and does not always amount of water at the right times. Then farmers use following waters because they face many problems. कौन सा water use करते हैं? That times they use lake water, pond water, and canal water. Okay. In my next video, I will discuss the method of using water. And thank you for enough for today. Thank you.